अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का हमारा लेक्चर जनरल नॉलेज के ऊपर है। देखते हैं आज के लेक्चर में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें शामिल हैं। सबसे पहले, फ्रूट्स दैट आर फॉर्म विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन आर कॉल्ड parthenocarpic. Plants that flower only once in their lifetime are called monocarpic. Penicillin is obtained from mold. Herpetology is the study of reptile. Histology is the study of bone. The botanical name of onion is Allium cepa. The study of heavenly bodies is called astronomy. Electric lamp was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. The fear of cold is called oculophobia. The fear of book is called bibliophobia. The fear of going to bed is called cleanophobia. Calcium sulfate is commonly called plaster of Paris. Sodium carbonate is commonly called washing soda. Sodium chloride is commonly known as common salt. The clinical name of baking powder is sodium bicarbonate. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. A fungus which can only survive on other living organisms is called obligate parasite. A plant which lives in the dark is called sectophyte. Laser was invented by Dr. Charles H. Townes. Thermostat is an instrument used for regulating constant temperature. The science of organic form and structures is known as morphology. The fear of woman is known as gonophobia. The fear of man is known as androphobia. The scientist who developed the quantum theory was Max Planck. The acid used in a car battery is sulfuric acid. The system for writing by blind people was invented by Louis Braille. The paraquat was used for the first time by J. P. Blanchard, the German who first demonstrated the existence of a radio wave was Heinrich Hertz. Fountain pen was invented by L. E. Waterman. The rule of heredity was demonstrated by Mendel. The instrument used to measure the concentration of salt water is the ceriometer. Safety matches was invented by J. E. Landstrom. Dynamics is the study of movements of body. Statistics is the study of forces acting on bodies at rest. Mechanics is the study of force acting on bodies. Electrocardiographic was invented by William Einthoven. Chronometer was invented by John Harrison. The study of etiquettes is known as archaeology. The study of the duration of life is known as chronology. The study of the duration of life is known as chronobiology. Calcium oxide is commonly known as quicklime. A deviation of light passing from one medium to another is known as rectification. The deviation of light passing from one medium to another is known as refraction. A deviation of light passing from one medium to another is known as refractions. An apparatus for generation of atomic energy is called a reactor. अच्छा, आज का हमारा ये लेक्चर था, तो सॉरी इसमें थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, तो करेक्ट करती हैं। आप इसको गौर से देखना सुनना, इंशाल्लाह आपको समझ आ जाएगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए अपना रखिएगा बहुत सारा ख्याल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।